Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. In today's video I'll be showing you my evening cleaning routine that I've been following during lockdown. Since being in lockdown and working from home, all of us being here all day, I found the house get so much messier, so I found having a really good cleaning routine really helps. I've been following this cleaning routine every evening, and last week I uploaded my morning cleaning routine, which I will link in the description box down below. Following these daily routines and my weekly routine where I focus on an area of the house each day has helped massively. Over the next few weeks I'll upload my weekly routines that I follow, so make sure you subscribe to my channel for more and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I next upload. Each evening Nick and I will take it in turns cleaning. One will clean up after dinner whilst the other puts any clothes away and baths Arabella. Tonight it's my turn, and the first thing I'll do is clear the dinner plates from the table and load the dishwasher. I'll wash up anything that won't go in the dishwasher, such as bottles or any large saucepans that won't fit in. I'll then leave the washing to dry a little on the drainer whilst I clean the sides using my favourite antibacterial method spray in wild rhubarb, of course. I absolutely love this spray, and it's antibacterial and no nasties in it, as it's super safe for use on everything from the table to Arabella's high chair. I honestly wouldn't use anything else. I'll finish the kitchen sides and give the utility room a quick wipe down before taking out any recycling or rubbish to the bin. My next job is to give the hob a quick clean using Cif cream cleaner and a minky first. Rinse it all off and then spray with the Cif stainless steel and wipe off with a damp cloth. Then I like to buff it up for the perfect shine. I don't know why, but I find it so satisfying cleaning the hob and seeing the shine afterwards. Once the hob is done, I'll then quickly dry any washing up, put it away so I can give the sink a quick wipe down. To clean the sink, I use Cif antibacterial spray and simply spray it all over the sink and just wipe it down. Once the kitchen is clean, I fill the sink with boiling water and put the cloths that I've used, then add a couple of capfuls of Zoflora. I leave the cloth to soak in the Zoflora overnight, as it disinfects them and makes the kitchen smell absolutely amazing when you come down in the morning. I'll give the kitchen a vacuum. I use the Shark upright vacuum, which is absolutely fantastic. I have done a review previously when I first bought this, so if you're interested in that, then I will link that in the description box down below for you. I'll quickly straighten up the throw and the cushions, as I find doing this just instantly makes the kitchen look tidier. The only thing left to do in here is to mop the kitchen floor, but this is the last thing I'll do, so I'll come back once I've done the other room. So for now I'll light a candle to get rid of any of the nasty smells from dinner. I'll do a quick tidy up of the playroom, just put any toys away and vacuum in here. I absolutely love having a playground room that I've done for Arabella. It's so nice just being able to put all of the toys and everything all in one room and make the rest of the room nice adult rooms. As the hallway is a main walkway, I just give it a quick vacuum. The wires drive me crazy in here, but we needed for the Ethernet cable out because we're all working from home at the moment. The last room for me to do is the living room, which I will give a quick tidy, and it isn't actually too bad in here, so it shouldn't take long. It honestly takes seconds to tidy the toys in here and it instantly looks much tidier. So then I'll give the cushions a quick plump and chop and then straighten up the throws on the sofa. I have quite a lot of glass furniture in the living room, which is an absolute nightmare for dust. So I normally give it a quick dust with this Addis duster, which is perfect for just for in-between cleans and keeping it looking fresh. A quick vacuum and spray with 1001. If you haven't used this stuff before, I would honestly recommend it. It is absolutely amazing and it smells gorgeous. You simply just spray it on the floor and leave it. There's no need to hoover it up or anything afterwards. It just dissolves into the carpet and it leaves the carpet smelling so fresh. And there we have it, another room done. The only thing I have left to do now is mop the floor. So I normally mop the kitchen and hallway floor. So I'm going to make myself a coffee so I can sit down and chill out afterwards. I use the Veleda spray mop every day for in-between cleans. When I'm doing a deeply clean, I do use a steam mop, but this is fantastic for just those in-between cleans, just for getting a few bits off the floor. So what I'll do is put a capful of the Flora in the mop and then top it up with water, spray and mop. Simple. There we have it. That is my evening routine completed. I'm now going to sit down, enjoy a coffee and catch up on Ozark, which is a new series I've been watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and it's gave you some motivation to do a daily evening clean to help you keep on top of your housework and have a tidy and clean house. Thanks for watching. Bye.